How to change route in Waze mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app. So for example, you are already driving and you would like to change the route. So what you need to do is click recenter. Then next, this arrow. Here, click on route. And here you can choose from the route. Or click map view and you can also see the route. You can also see the time and how many kilometers it will be if you choose this route. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Also, you can change settings. So you can avoid tolls, you can avoid ferries if you have some bridges in your city, and also you can avoid freeways. So if you want to change the road, just simply click on this arrow. And for the better view, click map view. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. See you later.